Hi, I'm Linda McLean with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. And if you've lived in your North Toronto home for 20, 30, or even 50 years, you're not just sitting on real estate, you're sitting on a legacy. But as life evolves, so do our needs. The stairs get steeper, the garden gets heavier, and that big home you once filled with noise and chaos is suddenly quiet. I work with homeowners just like you who love their neighborhoods, but they're ready for a home that fits their lifestyle moving forward, for their next chapter, but not their final chapter. In Toronto right now, well-positioned homes are still commanding strong offers, especially in neighborhoods such as the Cricket Club, Lawrence Park, Lytton Park, Bedford Park. But timing and strategy matter more than ever. Price too high, you stall. Price too low, you can leave hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Whether you're looking for low-maintenance luxury, a private country retreat, or that lock-and-leave lifestyle so you can finally travel freely, I'll help you sell with strategy, purchase with confidence, and move with dignity. I'm not here to rush you, I'm here to guide you with the right timing, the right pricing, and the right plan. And with Sotheby's International Realty behind me, your home isn't just listed, it's elevated. We launch your property locally and globally with discretion, elegance, and unmatched exposure. So if you're thinking of making a move, let's have a conversation about the possibilities. No pressure. Please reach out to the following contact information, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.